Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about why online reviews are so important to your business marketing and how to use scarcity to get a lot more good reviews. Coming up. Welcome to Small Business Marketing Methods. My name is Chris Loomis, for those of you who don't know me. And on this channel, we're going to talk about marketing tips and business strategies to help your business thrive and not just survive. So let's dive into online reviews. First of all, let's talk about why those are important. Well, because it's kind of like having a personal referral. I mean, what's more powerful than that, right? Nothing. I mean, when I'm looking for a mechanic to fix my truck, I'm going to go ask my neighbors. I'm going to ask family and friends. Who did you use? And did you have a good experience? What do they charge? So you're going to ask around, right? And that's normal, and that's called a referral. And there's really nothing more powerful than that. When you're looking for a realtor, you're going to ask for a review. You're going to ask someone, hey, do you know anybody who can help me, right? And then typically, what a lot of people do nowadays is they'll go online and they'll search for them. Google search or get on Facebook, and they're going to, okay, let's investigate a little bit more. Who are they? What kind of reviews do they get? So that's the second aspect of that. Now, the next most powerful thing about those online reviews is that those reviews actually drive traffic to your website. In fact, online reviews equate to about 10% of your SEO, or your search engine optimization. So what that means is when someone Googles something and they're just going to come up in a Google search, okay, how it gets found, and it's a whole 900 algorithms on Google on how someone gets indexed on Google, but online reviews are a pretty big part of that, 10% actually. So that's why it's so important to get those. So the more you have, the better. So that's a start right there. I'm going to show you a little trick on how to get more good reviews, because typically what someone will do is they'll leave a bad review, right? If you're a restaurant owner, they'll walk out, I didn't like that service, or they'll leave a bad review. So one thing you can do is you can, and if you don't have an email list, you should think about getting one, because this is why it's so important. You can email them, or if you use text messaging, text your clients and your customers, or email them and ask for an honest review. Okay, and what you're going to do is introduce scarcity. And what scarcity is you're going to make an offer and you're going to put a time limit on it, or maybe you only have so many of them. But something might work well is you just offer something for free if they give you an honest review the next 3 days, and it could be something of high perceived value that doesn't cost you much. For example, there's a lady who owns a dance studio up in Wisconsin, and what she did, she emailed her list of parents and said, hey, I'm looking for online reviews. If you can give me an online review the next 3 days, I'll give you a free pair of tights. I think the tights cost her, she said, $6, and that she charges $20 for them, so that's high perceived value, and she had like 50 reviews in like 24 hours. And so imagine how much that's going to drive her SEO up, and just the reciprocity of people looking, go, wow, they got a lot of great reviews. That's really how you can increase your business and your sales very easily, just by getting some online reviews. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any future episodes with marketing tips and business strategies. And if you could, leave me a comment and just let me know what you're using in your business with your marketing strategies to get online reviews. Be curious to see what you're doing, and we can all learn from that as well. And as I like to say to my kids, go be awesome. Thanks for watching.